Are we truly alone in the vastness of the universe, or is life waiting to be discovered beyond Earth? For centuries, humans have looked to the stars, wondering if alien life exists. With advancements in space exploration and the discovery of thousands of exoplanets, scientists are closer than ever to answering this age-old question. From Mars to distant star systems, the search for extraterrestrial life continues to reveal fascinating possibilities. Could we find microbial organisms beneath icy moons, or even intelligent civilizations among the stars? Calculations indicate that the probability of life occurring by chance are thousands of orders of magnitude greater than the number of events that could have occurred in the observable universe. Unless there is something major we are missing, there are two possibilities. Either life was created by God here on Earth, or extraterrestrial life is so far away that we could never find it. The overwhelming majority of planets that have been discovered outside the solar system are either extremely large, so close to the star that they are tightly locked, or both. Even if life came easily, the likelihood of finding life on these planets would still be extremely small, just because of the conditions that would exist on them. Of all the planets and moons in our solar system, only the Earth is well equipped to support life. It is the right distance from the Sun, that it receives just the right amount of heat, while it also has a strong enough magnetic field to protect it from radiation, but not one so strong as to flood the area with radiation. The problem with moons like Europa is that they are actually in the radiation belt of their parent planet, which could actually be a problem. However, despite these problems, the terrestrial planets of our solar system, as well as moons like Europa, are probably the most likely place that we will find life off the Earth. However, if we do, the Earth would still most likely be the source of that life. All that would be necessary would be some bacteria or other microscopic life to be ejected from the Earth under conditions that they could survive. Ironically, the global flood described in the Bible would have been just such an event. In conclusion, is it possible that we could find life off the Earth? Yes, however, other star systems are not where it is likely to happen. The most likely possibility is to find life from Earth that has been transported to other worlds in our solar system one way or another. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, please help support this channel. See the description for details.